Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna unbox this. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and let's get into our video. Here we have the Photron tripod. So let's open it quickly. This is around 1000 rupees, but I got it for 350 rupees. Inside this we have a polythene bag which is written Photron. So let's open. Inside this we get our tripod and a mount, mobile holder. So let's open this. So here we have Photron STEDY 350 tripod. Here we have bubble leveler here. So let's see how to fix the mobile holder. We have a bolt right here and here. So just keep it like this and rotate it on. Yes, now this is fit. The mount is also made out of good plastic. This is made out of aluminium. This is very good. Here we have when we rotate this, we can move it up and down. When we loose up this, we can change this to portrait mode. Tight it up. When we loose up this, we can rotate 360 degrees. When we loose up this screw, we can move this up and down. This is expandable. Here we have 3 levers so that we can expand this. Bottom we have rubber tips so that it does not fall down.